For outdoor enthusiasts, hiking day packs are a must-have to fully enjoy and explore the beauty of nature. After extensive research and review rating, I have compiled a list of best hiking day packs from top brands to help you make an informed purchase. The list includes products with varying features, benefits, and prices. Check out my description for further information on pricing and product details. Watch the video to discover which best hiking day packs are right for you without delay. Number 1. Venture Pal 40L Lightweight Packable. Are you someone who loves outdoor activities like hiking and camping? If so, you need a reliable backpack that can carry all your gear while also being durable and lightweight. Introducing the Venture Pal 40L Lightweight Packable Travel Hiking Backpack Day Pack, a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Made of high-quality tear and water-resistant nylon fabric, with heavy-duty metal zippers and bar tacks at major stress points for long-lasting durability. It features a large capacity with multi-compartment design, including one main zipped compartment, one zipped front pocket, two side pockets, one separator, and one small zippered pocket. It also has a waterproof wet pocket in the main compartment for sweaty clothes and towels. Customers love its lightweight foldable design, and the chest clip with a whistle buckle that helps distribute the pack's weight. And when you're done with your outdoor adventure, the Venture Pal 40L backpack is easy to pack away and store. Whether you're going on a day hike or a multi-day camping trip, the Venture Pal 40L Lightweight Packable Travel Hiking Backpack Day Pack is the perfect companion for your outdoor activities. Get yours today and experience the convenience and durability of the Venture Pal 40L backpack. Number 2. 4Monster Hiking Day Pack. When it comes to outdoor adventures, having the right gear can make all the difference. And that's why we're excited to introduce the 4Monster Hiking Day Pack. This backpack is made of lightweight and compact materials, making it easy to carry on your adventures. And despite its small size, it can still hold all your essentials, with enough space for everything you need. Plus, it's made of water-resistant material and tear-resistant 30D nylon, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged on your trips. Whether you're going on a hike, camping trip, day trip, or even just shopping, this backpack is multi-purpose and perfect for any adventure. And if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, don't worry. The 4Monster Hiking Day Pack comes with a 30-day no-hassle returns-free exchange and 12-month warranty. So what are you waiting for? Get your 4Monster Hiking Day Pack today and be ready for any adventure that comes your way. Number 3. Osprey Daylight Day Pack. The Osprey Daylight Day Pack is the perfect hiking companion for any adventure. With a focus on efficiency and design, this day pack is built to help you make the most of each exploration. The storage is tuned to each season, so you can easily carry everything you need. Whether you're hiking in the summer or winter, this day pack has you covered. Made by the well-known brand Osprey, the Daylight Day Pack is part of the hiking day packs category. It comes in black and is designed to be both functional and stylish. We love the premium efficiency and design of this day pack. It's purpose-built to help you make the most of each exploration, with plenty of storage and a comfortable design that won't weigh you down. So if you're looking for a high-quality day pack that's designed to help you get the most out of your hiking adventures, the Osprey Daylight Day Pack is the perfect choice. Number 4. Sunhiker Small Cycling Hiking Backpack. When it comes to outdoor activities like hiking, camping, climbing, traveling, or cycling, having the right gear can make all the difference. That's where the Sunhiker Small Cycling Hiking Backpack comes in. This backpack is made from a highly tear-resistant nylon material that is water-resistant, scratch-resistant, and durable. It can withstand the toughest conditions and keep your gear safe and dry. The backpack has multiple compartments and pockets, including 2 water bottle pockets and a front zip pocket for snacks. You can easily organize your essentials and access them quickly when you need them. The breathable mesh shoulder straps help relieve stress and make it comfortable to carry for long periods. You won't feel weighed down or uncomfortable while you're on the move. The high-quality smooth zipper and durable whistle buckle make it a reliable and secure choice. You can trust that your gear is safe and won't fall out during your outdoor adventures. Overall, we love the Sunhiker Small Cycling Hiking Backpack for its lightweight and compact design, comfortable shoulder straps, roomy interior, durable outer fabric, and multiple compartments and pockets. It's the perfect companion for your next outdoor adventure. Number 5. Lightweight Packable Small Crossbody Sling Backpack. Are you tired of carrying a bulky backpack that weighs you down all day? The Lightweight Small Crossbody Sling Backpack Day Pack is here to solve that problem. Made from high-quality durable water-resistant nylon fabric, this backpack can handle any weather condition without being damaged. Designed with adjustable shoulder straps and breathable mesh padded form-fitting back, the Lightweight backpack provides all-day comfort, no matter where you go. The sling bag is practical and stylish, with a multifunctional storage area to carry your wallet, keys, small tablets, pens, cell phone, and charger. And the best part? You can fold it into the interior zipper pouch to make it lightweight and portable. Upgrade your backpack game with the Lightweight Small Crossbody Sling Backpack Day Pack. Get yours today and experience the perfect balance of practicality and style. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.